What's the meaning of botch-up? Botch-up. Botch-up.
Botch-up. Botch-up. The word botch-up means a badly done or poorly executed task or job. It refers to a situation where something has gone wrong, or the outcome is not as expected due to incompetence, lack of skill, or carelessness. The result of a botch-up can vary depending on the context in which it is used. For example, a botched-up surgery could cause severe injury or even death to the patient, whereas a botched-up painting may result in an unsatisfactory artwork. Overall, a botch-up is a negative term that indicates a failure to perform the desired task or achieve the intended outcome.